Dee. So in today's video, I'll be doing a makeover on my sister. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. And before you go anywhere, please make sure to go and like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. And don't forget to comment below if you like any of the looks or anything I do in the video. Thanks.
Put the big cap on first, so it doesn't look so bad.
But we want it to look bad.
Okay.
It's a makeover. Hey guys, I won't be doing much talking in this video as it is a makeover, but I did want to give you some information about some of the things I'll be doing and some of the product information from the video. So this wig right here is a wig I have previously made and coloured for my sister. I got the hair from Bodacious Bundles by Bubs, of course, and you know, I coloured and styled it myself for her. So if you want any specifics about anything I'm talking about, I will be leaving it in the description bar below, so make sure you check it out. But if you do have any questions, make sure you go ahead and leave it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer you the best way I can. So if you didn't know by now, I am a custom wig maker and I do customize pre-made wigs. So if you're interested in any of those services, make sure you check out that description bar below because I am doing $25 off your first order with me when you sign up to my website. I am located in the US, to be specific, the DMV area, and I do offer worldwide shipping. So with all that being said, I'm gonna stop talking now and leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy the music and I'll see you on the other side of this makeover. Thanks again for watching. makeover is complete. Goody, I look good at all these things. Yes, come on. But yes, if you like this look, please go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Go ahead and share for your friends. And don't forget, why did I forget? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will have lots more videos coming out on wig looks, how to style, makeover, and all these things.
So if you're interested, click the notification bell.
Right. So thank you for taking the time out to watch it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.